What's going on, everybody? We are back again for another video. In this video I'm going to bring you a unboxing of the Tamiya Porsche Turbo RSR Type 934 Black Edition. This is their 50th anniversary model, and it is a RC kit. So taking a look at the box here, it's kind of hard to show on camera, but it does have the outline of the Porsche, and like I said, this is their 50th anniversary model, and it does actually include some LED lights, so it does include headlights and taillights. I'm actually going to be building this for a friend of mine. His dad has a Porsche that's very, very similar to this, so let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so here we are taking another quick look at the bottom side of the box. As you can read here, this is the TA02 SW chassis. The chassis setup here seems to be a little bit different than what I'm used to. I've done a couple of the Tamiya TT01 and the TT02 chassis. And as I mentioned before, this is a kit. So you are going to have to acquire your own items as far as the electronics go. So you are going to need a transmitter, batteries for your transmitter, a battery for the car, and a charger, a receiver, a servo, and an ESC. I'm not 100% sure if this kit includes an ESC or not, as some of the other kits did include the motor and ESC. If it does, great. If not, it's not a big deal. So let's get this camera set back up and do the unboxing. Alright, let's open up this box and see what we got inside. Alright, let's see here. Let's start with this first bag here. Alright, so inside this bag, there's a lot of miscellaneous parts. We have some of the oil for the shocks. There looks to be some gears probably for the transmission. I see some of the couplings in here for the drive shafts. There is a motor in here, so that's a great benefit that does include the motor. Looks like there's some plastic gears, some just miscellaneous items. You got your hub carriers, different screws, different gears, ton of different screws. I'm not too sure how well you can see inside there, but there is a bunch of different screws. Here looks to be some other stuff like the thread lock and maybe a little bit of grease in there. We can open this bag here a little bit more and get a thorough look, but let's see what else we have in the box. So, in here it does look like we have looks to be either the light controller or the ESC. It's hard to tell from just through the bag. I want to say it's light controller. Yeah, that's what it looks to be, is the light controller, which is nice because this does include headlights and taillights, so it should make it a little bit more realistic. So that's a benefit. Here we have the light buckets for the front and rear of the car, and a black engine cover, which will go on the back of the car. Here we have some more plastic bits. These are the arms, so you have probably the upper and the lower arms, as well as the body post mounts, and a couple end links and different things like that in here. This one's just another bag of some miscellaneous parts. We'll be able to tell what these are a little bit further along into the build. Papers. Got your 50th anniversary sticker. So that is nice. Alright, and here's the body. This is a very, very good looking body. Gonna be painting it gloss black, so it should look really, really cool when it's done. Should pretty much look exactly like the one on the box and the real one. Alright, here we have the wheels. These seem to be a little bit different than what I'm used to, is actually seeing the whole wheel. These are very, very, very thin. So I'm guessing these are almost like a hubcap kind of deal. So they might just sit onto the actual wheel itself. Or they're just a cap and the wheels come with a different finish to them. Here we have some pieces for the servo. We'll need that along the road. Some more hub carriers. Looks like you have some of the transmission covers. So that's nice. Got some foam. This is for between the tires and the wheels. Alright, so yeah, here is the actual wheels themselves. So they are chrome, but they have no design to them at all. So pretty much these thin wheels will sit inside of here, and then you'll be able to screw them in, so you actually have the whole wheel. Here we have the tires, just a really soft rubber, nothing too fancy to those. Got another bag of plastic bits. In here seems to be some splitters. Looks like the mount for the motor, a couple other covers and different miscellaneous parts. Got some more A-arms. And we got the chassis. So this is a very slim chassis, and it is metal compared to plastic on a lot of the other models. So that's a benefit. Cool. Tamiya light unit, might need that. Instruction manual, definitely gonna need that. And then in here is just the list of, or all the other stickers that it comes with that you can cut out and put on the car. So that is nice. Cool. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box of the Tamiya Porsche Turbo kit. So I'm going to do a building video along the way, and we will see where it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye.